Hello and welcome back to Tutorial 4. I haven't been uploading in a while now. That's because I got caught up with some personal stuff. One thing. Before we start learning the commands, I would like you to check the video description. There you'll see a brief overview of what we will be learning in this video, and also some few tips to comfortably move your cursor in the command line. The first command that we will be looking into is the mkdir, which stands for make directory. This command lets you create new directories. Let me first get to my desktop directory. Listing my desktop directories, I don't have any directories named PDF. Now, let me make a new directory and I'm gonna call it PDF. Now type in dir and boom! PDF appears in the list. You may create the same and store all your PDFs, given by your teachers. Oh wait, you don't have any PDF. Quite amusing, isn't it? I can't stop laughing. Okay. Enough of that. Now let's try deleting the directory. In order to do this, type in the command rmdir and it stands for remove directory. Now check the list. As you can see, it's gone. Again, let's make the same directory. But this time we make a few more directories inside it. And I'm gonna name them assignments and notes. Let me show you what's going on in the GUI. Now, coming back to the command line, let's try deleting the PDF directory again. Ooh, that's new. You see, we can't delete it, now that there are subdirectories in it. But, no worries. I'm here to teach you just how to do that. Type in the command rmdir, followed by /s, which is again followed by the directory name. Here, you see there's a prompt. Enter Y for yes, and N for no. So basically, Y is to delete and N is to cancel. Hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Adios amigos.